What? Hey guys, I just packed my stuff. I packed it a bit different this time. I hope it's stable. There's the tam bag, there's my tail bag. Harish and Kamal are here. So everyone's ready. Harish, you ready? Yeah. Done? Okay, bro, ready? We need to set the maps. Yeah. Map name metala.
నాకు కూడా ఓయో ప్రాపర్టీ నెంబర్ పెట్టు.
ఇద్దరు పెడదాం.
నేను పెడతా.
ఇద్దరం మ్యాప్ పెడదాం. Okay. We'll set the map and we'll head out. We just started from our room. People here are speaking Hindi, Marathi, Kannada. Talking about the room which we stayed, it was not worth the price we paid, but it was okay for a one night stay because we just needed a stay and there was nowhere we can go to. And the reason why we stayed in Belgaum and why we did not go to Goa directly is because we wanted to go through the ghats, the Shorla Ghats, and look at its beauty, man. We cannot see anything if you are riding at night, so we thought we'll stop at Belgaum and enjoy its beauty in the morning. We had a very good sleep. It's 11:35 a.m. very late. We had to start at 8 a.m. but we thought let's just take it slow. We'll eat and we'll take our time and leave to Goa. So it's 11:35, 596 kilometers done. It's yeah, our destination is 57 kilometers. I mean, the first stop we have added is Shorla Ghats. Shorla Ghats, it's 57 kilometers from here. It will take 1 hour 30 minutes. So short ride for today. Guys, clocked 600 kilometers from the time we started this ride. There's a lot more to come. Oh man, Goa for the first time. Yup, for the first time, you heard it right. Haven't been to Goa. I don't know how it feels. That too, riding to Goa for the first time itself. That's crazy, man. I guess we are almost entering the Ghat section from the views. The thing is, we don't know whether there's a petrol station ahead. These guys are escaping the cops. Lord. I think those are the mountains where we need to go. The Chorla Ghats. Chorla or Chorla, I'm not sure, but it spells with a C. Although today's ride is going to be of around 3 hours maybe. Max to max it will take us 4 hours or 5 hours depending on how much time we stop in between. So not a long ride today. We're doing this just so that we can enjoy the views and the ghats. Goa! Regenta Resort Belagavi. Man, the excitement. Wow. Wow. Well, the Ghat road begins.
Step on the land, I've got your hand, and now we're way down, fade out low. Was it your plan? Can't understand. I love the air you bring, everything. Amid the sun, our fire is burning. You tell me to hold on tight. I wish that we could stay here forever.
Oh, finally. Oh, we found petrol bunk. Let's fuel up. Chalo. Look at this, so beautiful. Let's go to Goa. There's a small stream of water. Guys, look at this. Wow. Samne, Varun. Samne dekho. Also guys, if you think you need a higher CC bike or a big adventure tourer to travel anywhere, you are wrong. You can do it in any bike. I'm doing it in my 200cc Apache RTR. So you can do it in any bike. We have a classic 350. We have a Himalayan. We don't have like Triumphs and BMWs or Ducatis. It's just that you need to have the passion to ride, to travel. The bike doesn't matter. So if you like traveling, you like riding your bike, take your bike, go out, have a fun ride. The only difference between a higher cc bike and a lower cc bike is the speed. But if you compare the bikes on a ghat road, every bike goes the same. You go at around 40-50 speed only. Even the higher speed, higher cc bikes go at the same speed. It's just that when you're riding on the highway, they go at 140 or 150 and you'll go at 110 or 120. But even that is not recommended. So you just have to maintain the speed of around 80-90. That's enough. That's more than enough. We maintain 80-90 and sometimes 100. That's it. We never cross 100-105. So you just have to have it in you. We're planning to click some pictures here. He's checking whether we can go or not. Of course the Himalayan has to check. Look at him. తీసుకురా అంటుండు. Okay, doing some off-road. Oh bhaiya, this is a street bike. What am I doing here? Oh nahi, oh my god. There are stones. There are a lot of stones here. That's the only problem. Oh no. What? I did not expect that there. Perfect. మనము పొద్దున ఫ్లాస్క్ లో చేసి నింపాల్సిండే కదా. Look at this. Look at that. ఇగో look at this. Wow. The kid is having his time, man. Are you seeing poor road? అగో గ్రీన్ కలర్ షర్ట్ చూడు నా చూసి హాయ్ హాయ్ హలో హలో అంటున్నా ఎంత కూర్చున్నాడు చూడు అగో అగో కమల్ వాంట్స్ టు టేక్ ద హిమాలయన్ త్రూ హియర్ అండ్ గో దేర్ సమ్వేర్. Yeah, we came from there and he wants to take it down there and somewhere near the water. Bro, Prince of Persia. This is how it looks. ఇట్లా వస్తాడంట వచ్చే ఏం లేదు ఆడ వచ్చేస్తా సిట్ డౌన్ నేను బండి చేస్తాడు. దిస్ బేసికలీ వాటర్ కెనాల్. దా జల్దీ రా. Kamal is going to get the Himalayan. Harish is here. What are you trying to do, Harish?
I'm doing adventure.
ఏదో అటు తిరుగుతున్నావు ఇక్కడ తిరుగుతున్నావు దుంకుతున్నావు అట్లా ఇట్లా వచ్చినావు ఒట్టిగా. అడ్వెంచర్ ఏం తెలుసు ఆడ కింద పోవాలి దాగదు పో సీరియస్ ఏం కాదు తెలుసా కాళ్ళ వరకు ఉంది అది. వేస్ట్ లెంత్ ఉంది మోరీ. కమల్ ఈస్ గెటింగ్ ద హిమాలయన్. పడిపోతే నాకు కంటెంట్, హరీష్కి బాధ, కమల్కి నవ్వు. 3 different emotions. Let's go. We spent around half an hour here. It's getting too sunny. Whoa, look at this. Nice. Look at this view. Wow. Well, let's look at the view from here. Huh? Are you ready to see the view? 3, 2, 1. There you see. Oh man. బ్రో ఎంత మంచిగా ఉంది బ్రో. పోతూనే ఉన్నది
ఇట్లా పోవాలి బండి వేసుకొని.
ఇంకా చూడు బ్రో ఎంత మంచిగా ఉంది. నేను ఆడ ఎందుకు ఆగినా అనుకున్నా దీనికోసం. స్లో అయినా కదా
లేదు కదా,
నాకు గ్యాప్ దొరికింది. మంచి గ్యాప్, దీనికంటే పెద్ద గ్యాప్ ఉండాలి. వావ్. I'll take a quick photo. బ్రో కార్ సౌండ్ చూడు. నా కారే. నేను పెట్టిస్తా. నేను ఆగమన్నా వెళ్ళిపోయిండు. Look at this. Wow. Man, it's so beautiful. Even the color of the lake or something, I don't know what that is. Let's go. Whew. That's one scenic view. Goa. Welcome to Goa. This is the entrance to Goa, I guess. Welcome to Goa. Hospitality is your right. Cleanliness duty. Ah, look at this. So, to be honest, I still cannot digest the fact that I'm in Goa. हाँ है चलो ओके थैंक यू दिखाना है तो मैं दिखा दूंगा अभी ओके थैंक यू just a normal police checkup. I said I have it and he was like okay you can go. There's a beautiful bridge there. Guys, we are going on the bridge. Look at this. There's a river flowing down. Endun inga 18 okay 18 kilometers more. Oh my god. Oh wow. Riding through the streets of Goa. Panaji, Mapusa city, Patra Devi. We are heading to Panaji. Singuram, Candolim, Kalangut, Baga, Harpura, Freight. So we came from Mapusa. Our room must be somewhere here. I guess, wait, let me check the maps. Yep, 900 meters. Harish, Adan Kut. Call je.
WhatsApp open చేయరా
హోటల్ కి కాల్ చేయాలి కదా హోటల్ నెంబర్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది रॉयल मिराज किधर हाँ हमारा बुकिंग है ओयो का हाँ वरुण किधर इधर ही guys we are here at the hotel. It's called the Royal Mirage. We haven't checked in yet. They're putting an extra bed in the room. Here's our luggage. Look at this. That's the luggage. We have parked our bikes here. 2 bikes are here and bike is here. The Candolim beach is just 5 minutes away from here. That too walking distance. We'll go up. We'll put our luggage in and we'll fresh up. We'll eat something and then I'll continue the vlog. Guys, I don't think you all can hear me, but as soon as we checked into our room, we freshed up, we had some food and we just did some time pass, man. After that, now it's around 6:45 or 7 PM right now. We came to the Candolim beach. There's the moon. Wow, it's so beautiful. Bro, 1 second, bro. Hey, aga.
చెప్పు వరుణ్ మేరావి
Go! I have everything. My wallet. Chalo, done. I actually forgot to format the SD card after transferring the data onto my laptop, so I did not record when we were going to the beach. Tomorrow morning we'll be going again to a beach. I'll record then. We bought food from McDonald's. Now we are heading to KFC and Domino's. We are doing a takeaway. Then we'll go to our room and eat peacefully. That's day 2. If you're liking the videos, please like, please share, comment down below what you think, and thanks for watching.
Let's keep moving. Tonight we're gonna dance.